What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Steam wallet not working issue. So first you need to head over to the Steam's application, and after that on the right side you need to click on account details. And after clicking on account details, you just need to check all the account details that you have entered. And after that, if you haven't added your up-to-date payment method, just simply delete the particular payment method and then click on this add payment method. And after that, here you will see the update saved payment method. So you just need to re-enter all the payment method details which are up to date and make sure they are the latest. And sometimes this causes the issue that you have not uploaded the latest details of your bank account. So this causes the issue for the wallet for not working. So you need to be precise and then you need to uh, upload the latest updated account details. But if the issue still persists, just simply close the Steam application. And how you will close, I'll show you. Click on the Steam logo and then click on exit so that the Steam application directly closes, and then just simply reopen your application of Steam. After reopening, it will take some time to reopen and it will find a strong connection. And after that, you will see that Steam application has been refreshed and has turned on with a fresh start. So this will solve the issue. It was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.